morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. We are going to learn WH questions and answer part 2 in this lesson. I am Miss Bok Raglatglau, freelance language teacher. Thank you for joining this free program. WH questions. WH Gasani. In this lesson, we are going to learn how, which, whose, whom. This slide shows you how WH questions are forming differently in English and in Kachin Jinghpaw. For example, the question, how is Mary? You have to ask in Kachin Jinghpaw, Mary go kamgja ai. Please check and see the order or the form or the pattern of questions, construction sentences. Okay, here is daily greetings questions. How are you? You can ask kamgja ai. I will repeat again. Kamgja ai. Another way, the sentence endings with kamgja ai. That is also to ask the questions of how are you. Let's practice the question and answer. Question, how are you? Gasan nango kamgja ai. How are you? Nango kamgja ai. Answer, I am fine. Matai, ngai go kamgja ai. I am fine. Ngai go kamgja ai. Question, how is Mary? Gasan, Mary go kamgja ai. How is Mary? Mary go kamgja ai. Answer, Mary is well. Matai, Mary go kamgja ai. Mary is well. Mary go kamgja ai. Let's learn how to ask how much, how many questions. The sentence ending with the gaderai in between main verb gashbin in Kachin has to be positions. I will repeat again. The sentence ending with gaderai will be for the questions of asking how much, how many. Let's practice question and answer. Question, how much money do you need? Gasan nangumpro gadera airai. How much money do you need? Nangumpro gadera airai. Answer, I need 1,000 euro. Matai, ngai euro gumpro kingmi ra ai. I need 1,000 euro. Ngai euro gumpro kingmi ra ai. Need, verb. Ra ai gashbin. Money gumpro 1,000 euro. Euro gumpro king me. Question, how many months are there in a year? Gasan lening mi ta staman gde nga airai. How many months are there in a year? Lening mi ta staman gde nga airai. Answer, there are 12 months in a year. Matai, lening mi ta staman shilkong nga ai. There are 12 months in a year. Lening mi ta staman shilkong nga ai. Year, lening mi. In a year, lening mi ta month. Staman, 12 months. Staman shilkong. Let's learn how to ask how often question. The sentence ending with gade lang rai, main verb, positions in between. This will be pattern to ask how often question. Gade lang rai. Let's practice question and answer. Question, how often do you watch a film? Kasan, nang sumla krung de lang you arai. How often do you watch a film? Nang sumla krung gde lang yu right? Answer. I do not watch a film often. Matai. Ngai sumla krung lolo lang yu I do not watch a film often. Ngai sumla krung lolo lang yu Film. Sumla krung. Watch. Do not watch. Often. Lolo lang. Let's learn how to ask the question, how far? The sentence ending with gde dram rai, main verb will be in between. This will be the pattern of how far question. Let's practice question and answer. Question: how far is the school bus stop from here? Kasan, ndai ko na jong modo kring shira. Gde dram sanai rai. How far is the school bus stop from here? Ndai ko na jong modo kring shira. Gde dram sanai rai. Answer: not far. Matai, sanai. Far, sanai. Not far, sanai. The school bus stop, jong modo kring shira. From here, ndai ko na. Let's learn how question. The sentence ending with gra kurai. The sentence ending with gning kurai. Main verb, positions in between. That is a pattern to ask how question. Let's practice question and answer. Question: how do you go home? Kasan, nang nta de gra kuwa ai rai. How do you go home? Nang nta de gra kuwa ai rai. Answer: I go home on foot. Matai, ngai nta de lam khom na wa ai. I go home on foot. Ngai nta de lam khom na wa ai. Home nta de on foot lam khom na. Question: how do they make a spacecraft? Kasan, shante lemu phung tang li phe gra khu glo arai. How do they make a spacecraft? Shante lemu phung tang li phe gning khu glo arai. Answer: they make a spacecraft with paper. Matai, shante lemu phung tang li phe mai sao the glo ai. They make spacecraft with paper. Shante lumu phung tang li phe mai sao the glo ai. Spacecraft lumu phung tang li phe. This is object. Paper mai sao. With paper mai sao the. Let's learn which one. Question. You can ask gram tang rai. It is exact meaning of which one. I will repeat again. Gram tang rai. Let's practice. Question. Which one? This one or that one? Gasan. Gram tang rai. Ndai matang I. Tora matang I. Keep in mind this is only question sentences. Which one? Gram tang rai. This one. Ndai matang I. That one. Tora matang I. Let's continue to learn the question. Which one? The sentence ending with gara matang rai. Verb positions in between. That is the pattern to ask which one. Okay, here the question is, which one is better? Question. Which one is better? Kasan gramatang grau krak ai rai. Which one is better? Gramatang grau krak ai rai. Good. Krak ai, gaja ai, better, comparative adjective. Grau krak ai, grau gaja ai. Here is which question. The sentence ending with gra matang phe rai. I will repeat again. The sentence ending with gra matang phe rai. In between, object following after gra, main verb following after matang phe. That is the pattern to ask which question. Let's practice question and answer. Question: which cat do you like? Gasan nangra lanyao matang phe ra ai rai. Which cat do you like? Nangra lanyao matang phe ra ai rai. Answer: I like black cat. Matai ngai lanyao achang phe ra ai. I like black cat. Ngai lanyao achang phe ra ai. Cat lanyao black cat lanyao achang phe. Phe is referring to object phrase. Let's learn whose questions. The sentence ending with gde at rai, the sentence ending with gdai na rai, that is a pattern to ask whose question. Let's practice question and answer. Question: whose book is this? Gasan ndai lai ka book go gde at rai. Whose book is this? Ndai lai ka book go gde at rai. Answer: this is Mary's book. Matai ndai go Mary at lai ka book re. This is Mary's book. Ndai go Mary at lai ka book re. Book like a book. Question: whose bag is this? Kasam ndai ting san go gdai na rai. Whose bag is this? Ndai ting san go gdai na rai. Answer: this is my bag. Matai ndai go ngai na ting san re. This is my bag. Ndai go ngai na ting san re. Bag. Ting san. This will be the last questions of whom in this course. The sentence ending with gdai phe rai, verb, positions in between. That is the pattern to ask the question whom. Let's practice question and answer. Question: whom should I give these toys? Kasan ngai ndai gun sup rani phe gdai phe jo ang ai rai. Whom should I give these toys? Ngai ndai gun sup rani phe gdai phe jo ang ai rai. Give jo I, should give jo ang I these toys. Ndai gun sup rani phe. This is object phrase. So you need to put phe. Answer: I should give these toys to Mary. Matai ngai ndai gun sup rani phe Mary phe jo ang I. I should give these toys to Mary. Ngai ndai gun sup rani phe Mary phe jo ang I. I hope you enjoyed this free program of learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. Mr. Edward D. Val said, with languages you are at home anywhere. With your kamujanga uga, I wish you to be happy and in good health. Hang the Krumga. See you again.